Organize your life and maximize your storage space with Oskar's heavy-duty 5-tier interlocking storage shelves. Snap-fit assembly is quick and easy with no tools required. Start by taking inventory of all the parts. Place one shelf on a level floor with the smooth side facing up. Note that each shelf has 2 interlocking tabs on one side. These tabs can be used to connect multiple units. Ensure these tabs are on the same side when assembling. Next, slide the wide end of each leg into the shelf, ensuring the arrow on the leg is pointing up. Gently tap each leg to ensure a snug fit. Add the remaining legs, then install the second shelf with the smooth side facing up. Repeat these steps with the remaining shelves, moving up layer by layer. Once completed, ensure a snug fit on all the legs, and that all the shelves are parallel. If you have multiple shelving units, line up and lock the interlocking tabs together for a secure connection. Oskar's heavy-duty 5-tier shelves hold up to 150 pounds each for a total storage capacity of 750 pounds. For added safety, it is recommended that the unit be anchored to a wall using the anchor holes found at the back of the shelves. Now you're ready to start organizing with Oskar's heavy-duty 5-tier interlocking storage shelves.